I felt out of inspiration today, so I decided to spin a wheel to create a new genre. First, I started looking at YouTube to see if it's been done before. You can see the house-inspired drums with Lofi minimalistic mixing and sound selection. This one had a cool vibe to it. But I was trying to create something completely new, unlike what I found on YouTube. So I started with basic house drums. Notice the BPM is at 128, unlike the other tracks. Also used this cool loop to add some sauce. I found a synth I liked and started coming up with chords. Seventh, diminished, and other unique chords are perfect for this, basically normal Lofi music theory. Added sidechain. Also some EQ to boost the highs. Found this old sounding bass preset in Analog Lab. Cut highs and boosted the lows. Here is what we got so far. I felt like a lead was missing. I found this preset and played around with it. Need some low pass and odd to give it that Lofi feel. But I made a bouncy house melody. Tried adding a counter melody, but it sounded trash, so I bloated it with effects. Finisher Micro really turned it to more of an atmosphere. So I made this counter melody instead. Finally, made a second drop with a lower BPM. Full beat.